Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about best project management software for individuals. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be demonstrating or showing you my personal favorite for project management. And this platform is called Monday.com. Now Monday.com is a great platform and I'm going to show you just how it is. So let me create a new board over here. So we could start from scratch, and let's say this is for personal or daily things. Daily tasks. Something like that. Then simply click on create board. Now Monday.com is not just for individuals. It can really be a great thing for teammates as well, or group project management. But it can also be an amazing task manager or like a project management for individuals such as myself. For example, I have created this table or board over here for personal things or like daily tasks. Let me give you a quick tour. Now navigating Monday.com is very simple. You have a group here and individual items. Now the individual items can be changed to tasks. Let's actually change this. Actually, let's create a new board because there's an option here for tasks. You can also choose projects if you want, but I prefer tasks. It seems, or it's a bit easier to specify things that I need to do. And let's go with personal project. Here we go. And we will be demonstrating here. Now, like I was saying, there are two types of tasks. You have a group task over here or a simple specific task over here. Now the group task will be very great for categorizing your different things to do. For example, let's say I have a mobile programming application. So let's say mobile application. Now this entire list of tasks will be specifically for that mobile application. And then over here, let's go with something personal. Let's say a grocery. Or no, let's not do grocery list. Let's do with chore list, something like that. So now we have two types of categories here. I have a mobile application project, and then I have a chore list. I could easily add a new group over here for some random projects or some random things that I need to do. For example, I have another project that is like a website application. Let's say website development, something like that. Now this is for individual projects, so we could have any personal things. Oh, there was an error, so let's do it again. What's the name? Website development. Okay, like that. I guess it's not working right now, but anyway, let's say that is for website development. Now over here under mobile application, let's say we could open this. You could click this, and then you could change the name of this item. This task 1. So let's say my task 1 is to generate or not generate, design a workflow. Something like that. And then for task 2, I could say I want to design a UI or a UX. Design basic user interface. There we go. Then the third task, let's say my third task for this is to specify and identify the features of the app. Then I could add a new task. Let's say for my new task, let's say research how to apply said features. There we go. So let's say that's my task over here under mobile application. Now there's such thing as persons over here, but this is more on useful if you're doing a group collaboration or team project. But there's also something called status. So you could call it status, or you could say progress, like that. And then you could have multiple progresses over here. There are the default ones are working on it, stock, done, or nothing. You could click on added label, and then you could add a new label, which let's say having issues, let's say. Then you could change the color to a different color. Let's say pink is having an issue. Click on apply. So designing a workflow, working on it. Design a basic interface, let's say working on it. identify the features. Let's say having issues, you're not sure on what type of features that you want to have. You could have it as that. Then research how to apply. Of course, that's not done yet, so we can just add that as blank, or we can click on edit label, change the name to do. There we go. And now we have this. You can see, or that to do is the same thing as working on it, so that doesn't really matter. And then you can set a date or a deadline for yourself on when this specific task should be finished. And then you could add other essential text as well, like numbers, status formulas, files, and other information over here. Some information can be useful, like for example, priority. Of course, the features is a priority, so you could set that as high. And the user interface, that's a bit of a medium. Workflow, that's also high. Then research, of course, that's critical because you can't really progress without identifying or knowing how to apply the features. Now over here for the chart list, you could go with simple things such as wash the dishes if you want that, or you could go here, let's say do laundry. You can specify when you would need to do the laundry. And then over here, let's say pay taxes or calculate taxes, something like that, or go to the bank. You could add as many tasks as you want. You could use it for personal simple things, just like what we do, like Charles, or you could do some personal projects such as mobile application and website development. And you can also view it on different types of views. There are Gantt chart, calendar, Kanban, files gallery, form, or a blank view. I really like viewing my task in Kanban. Right here. There we go. Let's wait for it to load. There we go. This is how you will be able to see it. And it can be useful as well. Like for example, you're done working on the workflow. You can simply drag it and drop it on the done section just like that. Or over here, the main table, you could do the same thing. Once something is done, you could simply do it on the progress over here. Now you could also do lots of other things. You could click on new group of tasks, which is basically the same thing. You could import tasks from another project if you want, or if you have. You could also search so that you could process your data faster if you have a lot of char list. If you want to delete a task, by the way, you can simply right click a specific task and click on delete. And that way you will be able to delete that specific task and it will be sent to your trash, so that if ever you need to access it again, you won't have any issues. And you can also delete an entire group if you want. You can click on the three dots. There we go. Click on the three dots. You can either collapse this group, collapse all group, unselect all tasks, or select all tasks, move, or you can change the group color. You can also export it to Excel if you want. There we go, as you can see. Or you can delete this entire thing as well. Let's undo this. There we go. You can also see like the progress over here. You can easily monitor how much or the percentage of your task is, and there's a lot of things. You can also do a lot of integration, as you can see here. You can integrate it with Gmail and many other things. There's also things like automate over here that is available, and you can also sort it in many other ways. And that's basically it, guys. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to leave a like and subscribe first, and then add your comments down below, and then we will help you as much as we can. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.